This is the cabbage. The baby cabbage.
Yay! Carrots plantation nila. Ito daw lahat tinatanim dito. Wow. Day 4 from the highest highway of Tinoch, Ifugao. Samahan nyo kaming mag-road trip to the highest vegetable garden in the Philippines, ang bayan ng Bugyas, Benguet. 8:37, let's go to another destination. Hindi pa namin alam, basta maghanap tayo ng karinderya malapit dito na kakain tayo. The best. Ang ganda ng daan. It's a downhill naman ngayon. Wow, ganda ng mga trees, no? Observe the trees ka. At least nakikita mo na mga trees.
Yes, have a road trip!
The days are dull and gray all the time when you're away, and the nights are as long as they are dark. I keep checking the time like it will make the tellers move faster, but they don't care how long I stare. Things are still black and white in here. I feel like I'm inside a rainbow when I'm with you. I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah.
Mga bato-bato.
Mga tarik-tarik lang. Pero dito na daan, makitid siya. Maganda ang mga puno. Pero yung scenic na side na walang mga puno-puno dun sa kabila. Tsaka malawak yung daan. Compare dito sa side na to.
Colors flashing like paint splashing. It might be hard to believe, but that's what I feel. It's almost unreal. Each and every time we kiss, and I'll keep getting lost just to give you something to find. 'Cause first there was nothing, and then there was something. How can I better describe that when I'm with you? I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. You're like a shot of good emotions, with eyes like oceans to say. You're like a stretch of sunny weather after the rain.
Nakatoga si Kali kasi the world is her classroom. Tan tan tatan. Tan tan tatan. Tan tatan.
This is the cabbage. And that's the baby cabbage. This is the American.
Makita mo yung green lahat ay mga repolyo. Yan. So after ng pechay, punta tayo dun sa carrots.
Oh.
After this, we're going to eat.
Yes.
Gutom na rin tayo. Go.
Tan tan tatan. Tan tan tatan. Tan tatan. Baby carrots lang siya. Carrots plantation nila, pero ano pa lang siya. Bata pa lang, hindi pa siyang lumalabas. Ito yung baby carrots, oh. Ito, paglalabas na yan sila, pwede na siya mag-harvest.
Bugyas is the leading producer of highland vegetables in Benguet. The town has the highest elevation of 2,000 2,342 meters.
So next, harap tayo ng pakainan. So yun yung petchay, yun yung carrots, ito ng main road. Let's go! Thank you, Lord. Let's go to another destination.
Without cities.
9:02, let's go! Harap tayo ng pagkainan. Thank you, petchay! Thank you, carrots! Sa downhill ito. Sa steep downhill.
Up, up, up in a painted cup, I will pour my love from a cloud above. So bright I can see the lights, taking you up and above the blue sky. Tastes good to be drinking all of the honey sweet brew of ours. Up, up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Up, up, up in a painted cup, I will paraglide across the sky. Let flowers and tiny hearts shaping a line in the cup of ours. So sweet like a honeybee can buzz around a honey tree. Up, up in a painted cup, right in the sky like a firefly. Like a firefly. I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within. I believe to believe is to see how the present comes from dreams. Color in my love, love, love. 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 Up, up, up in the painted cup, I pour my love from a color in my love, love, love. It's good to be drinking all of the hot and sweet. Color in my love, love, love. Up, up, up in the painted cup, I pour my love from a color in my love.
Ito, restaurant. Mountainside Restaurant. Let's go here. So, kain tayo muna dito sa kanilang bayan.
I'm so lucky because I'm really lucky because I can eat the only food that eats just grass. What do you say, Tatay?
I love this girl, the one who take my video. Who's that? Who's that girl?
Dila po ng ano yan? Ang isda. Isang isda na lang po. Itong isda na tayo? Ito nang ganisa at saka isang ramen. Sir, saan na po nandito na tayo sa Tinok?
Hindi po po, Bugyas po.
Bugyas na ito.
Tinok nun po sa kabila.
Okay. So, saan yung provincial capital ng Bugyas?
Dyan po.
Sa taas? Batan.
30 minutes drive po.
Okay. Madadaanan lang siya. Sige.
Babag kayo nag-buntok na po sa pangalan. First action na po.
Kasi I love you so much. Always remember this, okay? This is Larry and Tatay's gift to you. Let's eat. Ito yung lahat ay 450, 250 dito. Kasi syempre wala naman talagang bangus dito, no? Eh, mahal talaga. Oo. Thank you so much. Mag-ramen tayo sa sobrang This is fresh from the garden. It. sobrang lamig dito. Parang sumasak na yung ngipin ko sa lamig.
Kaya sangpas yung kiririn, di ba?
Hindi. Sa Sangpas. Kasi yun yung kahigit ko. Basta ano yun, historical area yun. Sangpas. Hindi ko nag-pray. Kaya nag-pray. So, ganito lang kami magplano. Kain muna kami, tapos kami nagpaplano kung ano yung destination. Basangpas, kasi ang labas ng Basangpas, parang dami, kung pupunta kasi tayo ng Benguet, Kabayan, ganyan, nadadaanan na kasi namin day show na daan yan. So, itong Basangpas, hindi pa namin napuntahan. Tapos, ang labas nito is La Union na. Yung target natin dahil makapunta tayo ng La Union mamayang gabi. Para si Kali ay the finale of Kali, the surfing time! Oh! Dagat.
You now?
Yes.
To surf?
Yeah.
What do you want? The hot spring? In Asin?
Or the surfing?
Surfing.
Surfing na lang. See, let's go to the surfing
Kasi
area.
surfing mo. Why you like surfing? It's fun.
Dito na tayo sa Bugyas. Ito yung intersection kung pupunta ka ng Ato, pupunta ka ng Sagada, mga ganyan sa area. Ito na yun. Ito yung parang half ng Tinok, half ng Bugyas. May sobra kaming pagkain. Ginagawa namin ay ibabao natin siya. Ouch! Tapos, cover. So, since ito ay collapsible, ito yan. Then, rice. Then, 16.
Papunta tayo sa
Bugyas.
Bugyas
Municipal Hall.
Municipal Hall.
At saka, public market.
Public market. Alis na tayo sa mga bayan ng
Tinok.
Langaw.
Ayun ang langaw. Oo nga, kasi ang dami ditong langaw. Siguro sa fertilizer nila. Mga
And kids, this is a great view.
enjoy the view!
Enjoy the view of the Langaw.
The pine trees and the gulayan, the garden of gulays. Ay, wow! Dugo, iba to.
At least it goes under us.
Yung pagaling na ano ni tatay.
Nag-harvest sila from the garden. Kasi yun yung sa harapan natin. Yun o, kahit isa lang.
Saan dito?
Diretso tayo. Nag-harvest sila. Bili tayo ng isa. Oh! Fresh from the garden! Wow!
Bililan. Just go. Go kids. Just go kids. Let's go.
Fresh from the garden.
It's a little bit tracky. So, ganda. Ganda.
Hello sir! Good morning po! Bili po kami sir! Pwede po kami bumili kahit isa lang? Sir, kahit isa lang? Pagkano po? Ha? Gift niyo to? Wow! This is a gift! Fresh from the garden! Ang laki! Cabbage to sir, no? Cabbage? Wow! Thank you! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smell kayo ha! Saan po yan i-deliver, sir?
Sa Trinidad.
Ah, Trinidad. Galing pala talaga, no? Grabe ang galing grabe ang pinagdaanan ng mga gulay. Punta lang ng Trinidad.
Oo. Malayo, no?
Oo, malayo. Pero ngayon we learned that we have to eat. Kailangan namin ng sarap. Kainin namin siya ng with feelings kasi may story siya. Layo-layo ng pinagdaanan niya para makapunta doon. I-observe them muna. Oh, nag-harvest sila ngayon ng cabbage fresh from the garden.
Thank
Thank you po so much.
Let's go. The iron is tracky. Yeah, like. have to go. Sometimes you have to slide when you're going in tracky places. To slide or run. Let's go. Whee!
Bata, tingnan mo.
Bata, I realized every vegetable have a story.
Have to eat your vegetable. It's hard to go here.
Serve the world.
It's the downhill. Oh, it's a downhill. Uphill pala ito.
Downhill.
You're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head, and you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head, and it's the road I figured and the curse I've been living, the flag I'm given, a signal. Pick me up again. Come on, pick me up now. So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're in my head. So I've been stuck forever, it seems like forever. I'm ready to follow the signal. Pick me up and say, come on, pick me up now.
Wala sa din station. Update sa gasolina natin, 213 kilometers pa. Dalawa pa ang natakbo.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you put
This is the
in?
Bayan of Bugias.
All your hopes and ends are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little faith has got to
Grabe ang tarik. Oh, daming sharp curve na uphill. Buti na lang kami ay downhill. Good Lord.
Forest fire.
Good job.
Galing ba? How do you use forest fire?
Because of the birthday.
We survived. Itong daan na yun, patangat. Downhill talaga siya. So kung pag galing ka ng Atro papuntang highest point, yun yung semi highest point mo na kasi matarik siya at saka makikita ang daan.
1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember.
Saan natin ngayon? Para siyang hairpin na hindi ko na maintindihan. Pero sa taas, uphill pa yan lahat. I love Badayan. Badayan. Ito ay Bugyas. Bayan ng Bugyas. Uphill. Uphill, 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 uphill. Ooh. Ito yun.
Super herpy. Wow, the other side naman.
Inside my mind, you can't ask me to surrender. When reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive.
Pankaya na tayo.
Innocent might take me nowhere.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
So ito yung Mangkayan. Grabe. Tayo na. Ito na yung city. Munisipyo ng Bugyas.
It's been stuck inside my mind.
Wow, ang kapit market nila. Wow.
You can't ask me to surrender. When reaching for the dream keeps me alive. For as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender. When reaching for the dream.
Dito na tayo sa Bugyas Municipal Hall. For this visit, picture lang tayo. Tapos punta tayo ng palengke. Ito yung munisipyo nila. Bugyas. Ito yung munisipyo. Oo, hanap yan ang sila. Ang highest point sa Tinok. Galing kami ng Nababiskaya para inhikot kami. Hello po. Good morning po. Visit lang kami. Thank you so much.
This is the municipal. Bugyas.
Nakaihi lang kami dito. Let's go out. Wow! Wow!
I'm here. We're going to go to the city market.
Munisipyo nila yan. Ang market ay nandun lang. So, bibili tayo ng coffee ni tatay, fruits ni Kali. Then, let's go to La Union. Bayada, Besang Pass. Fresh talaga. Galing nga, oo. Laki ng chicken, oh. Hello, chick-chick. Ganun yung itsura ng mga chicken ka. Hey! The public market! Wow! ang kilo nito po? 125. Malagkit na black rice. Ito mga sa malagkit na black rice, magkano? 125. Coffee po. Ayun o, pili ka doon. Isa? Oh, okay na rin. Hello, sir. Pili po ko. Ito yung carrots galing dito, no? Fresh. Magkano po ito? Kilo? 150. Tatlong carrots lang po. Ano po mga dito tinatanim? Oh, magkano po yan? 100. Gusto mo to, mushroom?
Oh, mushroom.
O, sige. 100. Yan. 70. Yan lang. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Oo, ganyan. At saka yan. Patatas. Patatas. 142. Oo. Wala na chili. O, sige, 10 pesos. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba dyan? Thank you so much. So, para 200. Good job. 200 naman yan. Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much. Ang ganda ng bayan ninyo.
Oo naman. Pasyal ka ulit ha.
Ang swerte ninyo sa mga gulay.
Oo. Kasi marami. Kain kami ng fresh.
Yes. Ang ganda oh. Tay, din mo na satellite. Tay, yung sasakyan niya may solar na may satellite. Oo. Yun oh. Oh. May signal. Galing mo.
Tiny corn. This is tiny corn.
Salamat po. Ingat. Bye-bye, Bugyas. Ito yung munisipyo nila. Welcome to Bugyas. So we will go to pabalik. Yeah, pabalik. Yes. New destination. Let's go to Besa Park.
Surfing!
Hindi ba po surfing yun ha? Basang pass pa lang.
Nakita na natin ang 200 papuntang highest highway. Pag manggagaling sa Kayantinok Road, advantage mamangha kayo sa kagandahan ng rice terraces. Gradual uphill pero konti lang ang bahayan. Expect matarik pagdating sa bayan ng Tinok. Hindi siya recommended pag tagulan. Nakakatakot talaga ang landslide at mga baha. While kung manggagaling naman kayo sa Kabayan Bukod Road or Hasima Highway, advantage wala masyado landslide. Maraming bahayan sa paligid, mga gulay naman ang mag-welcome sa inyo. Pero since ang Bugyas ay may highest elevation ng 7,684 feet, expect steep uphill pagdating sa junction ng Kabayan Bukod Road going to Kiangan Tinok Bugyas Road. Tandaan, ang Kiangan Tinok Bugyas Road ay ang pinakamataas na highway sa Pilipinas, so expect matarik siya. We recommend to visit the highest highway when it's summertime. Safety first. Sa daan pa lang papuntang Tinok at Bugyas, nakakanginig na ng buto. Dito mo ma-realize sa mga sacrifices ng mga farmers para makakain tayo ng mga gulay katulad ng repolyo, kamatis, bagyo beans, carrots, at iba pa. Kaya sana bigyan natin ng respeto at halaga ang bawat gulay na kinakain natin.
From Bugyas Municipal Hall papunta dito sa Mangkayan, expect downhill. At saka twists and turns. Pero view.
Kaya sa mga taga-Calderiera, saludo kami sa inyo. So see you in the next episode. One road trip, one camping site, one mountain hike, and one province at a time.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.